What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 909 Adventures. Today we're droning an abandoned water park. Now, you guys have seen us explore this place before, so I'm not going to dive too deep into the history. I'll give you guys a little rundown. The park opened in May of 1962 and closed for the final time in 2004. It had four previous names. That's Lake Dolores, Rockahula Water Park, Discovery Water Park, and then back to Lake Dolores Waterpark. Now, if you guys stay to the end, this is going to be it's a short video. So if you guys stay to the end, I'm going to give you guys a complete rundown of all the TV shows. There was one movie filmed here, and maybe about a total of 10 TV shows, 10 different TV shows that have been filmed here since the park had closed. And it kind of blew my mind. I didn't expect anything to be filmed out here. And it's actually pretty interesting. So if you guys stick around, enjoy the little drone video. And then real quick, right here on the screen, yeah, this is what they call breaking ground. They made a dirt track, and they're trying to charge people to come in here and use this dirt track. And yeah, they want people to pay for something that they've been doing already for free for 20 years. Who's going to pay for that? Makes no sense. So with that being said, guys, stick around to the end, and I will let you guys know the different TV shows that were filmed here at Lake Dolores Waterpark. I told you there was a movie filmed here and several TV shows. Okay, so the one and only movie that was filmed here was called Desert Blue. It was written and directed by Morgan Freeman, and it starred Brandon Sessex III, Kate Hudson, Christina Ricci, Casey Affleck, Sarah Gilbert, and John Hurd. I had actually never heard of this video, no pun intended. Also, Top Gear America used the water park in September of 2014 as an obstacle course in Season 5, Episode 7, titled What Can It Take? Lake Dolores appeared in an October 2016 episode of Abandoned, which aired on the Viceland network. And more recently, in April of 2022, pop supergroup BTS filmed a mini concert called Proof live on the old water park grounds. It aired on YouTube on the 9th anniversary of BTS's debut, in celebration of the release of their new anthology album Proof.
Let's ride, come on!
Now this one's pretty cool because you get to see how the park originally looked, and it actually appeared in an episode of Rob Big on MTV. Next up on my list is a 2015 commercial for Mini Cooper starring Tony Hawk. That was filmed here as well. And then last but not least, we have a Kesha music video that was partially filmed there. I think the last half of Kesha's music video for her song High Road. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little drone video and all the rundown of everything that was filmed here at Lake Dolores Waterpark. If you guys like this sort of stuff, put it down in the comments. Let me know so I can make more of these videos for you guys. And while you guys are at it, don't forget to comment the black heart emoji in your comments so I know you guys made it to the end of the video.
Bartender, Coors Light, please.